Want to join the ranks of cybersecurity professionals? Whether or not you're a student, current professional, or someone looking to launch a new career, you can dive into Just Hacking Training Constructing Defense. Constructing Defense is the hands-on training for learning cybersecurity. At a fraction of the cost of other cyber ranges and more in-depth, you'll perform different cybersecurity attacks to see and understand what happens from a defensive perspective. Learn, attack, defend, and repeat. Constructing Defense is a 3-course path, including a full enterprise environment available in your own dedicated virtual lab with Windows, Linux, AWS, Azure, Kubernetes, Active Directory, a log server, Splunk, and so much more. With over 100 videos, step-by-step instructions, and Purple Team exercises, it is the most practical training to start a career in cybersecurity. And everything is provided for you. There are no prerequisites, and you don't need anything other than your computer and internet. Launch your cybersecurity career today with Just Hacking Training Constructing Defense. Sign up now at justhacking.com.